Git stash genuinely sets aside real uncommitted changes without committing them, so you can switch tasks and come back later. In this video you'll stash, switch branches, and restore real work. This real command genuinely saves all uncommitted changes and restores a clean working directory without a commit. With the working directory genuinely clean, switching branches to handle something urgent is now real and safe. This real command genuinely restores the stashed changes exactly where you left off. Git stash genuinely sets aside uncommitted changes without a commit. This lets you switch branches safely with a real clean working directory. Git stash pop genuinely restores the stashed changes later. Stash real changes, switch branches, then pop the stash back. Ready to send real, local commits to a genuine remote server?